Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. So today we are going to discuss about some updates on the Opera News Hub platform. We already saw how to get in there, get an account, and then start creating content online to actually make money, some passive income. Now, some people think this is a scam, others think this is not real. Someone was asking how you can withdraw the money and stuff. Okay, so the payment is made directly into your mobile money account. Payment is directly made into your mobile money account, and for the month of July, okay, July I didn't make enough. There, right there, that is how much I made for the month of July. And as you can see, that is my name right there. That is my mobile money account. Now let's look at the top earners for the month of July. These are the top earners on the Opera News Hub platform for the month of July. So as you can see, people are making it big. These kind of people, these top earners, I don't know much about them, but I think some of them have some kind of professional background in journalism and reporting and those kind of stuff. But we are going to also go through a few tips and tricks to also get increased earnings on the platform. Now, the reason why I am not making much is because I don't put enough effort into this. I don't put a lot of effort into this. I got a regular job, so I do this on a part-time basis. Sometimes at my lunch break I decide to put a content there or two, and then as you can see, still I am making something. They also have this article of the week, this article of the week award that they also give, and as you can see, these are the people who won the article of the week. Now we are going to look at some of the tips and tricks that you can use to actually increase your revenue and then get into some of these things. I have gone into some of these top earners, their articles, the articles that some of these top earners have written. I have gone into some of them, read, and then noted some things that they are doing that when you also emulate, you are likely to increase your earnings on the platform. Let's look at some of the don'ts on the platform. One major factor that can affect your earnings on the platform is article rejections. Yeah, article rejections. They take that very seriously, and article rejections drastically reduce your earnings on the platform. So let's look at some ways to reduce getting articles rejected. Now, I've also had my fair share of article rejections here and there because I refuse to read through their guidelines. You really need to go through the guidelines to know what you are supposed to do and what you are not supposed to do. The least punishment you could get on the platform is for your article to be rejected. Once that keeps happening, your articles keep getting rejected, you could subsequently get banned from writing on the platform. And then, aside getting banned from creating content on the platform, the worst that could happen to you is someone dragging your past to court for defamation or making false statements about them or making false claims and those kind of things. And that is going to affect the platform. So they also try as much as possible to guard against some of those things. The number one thing that can get your article rejected is fake news. You really need to stay away from fake news. The AI scans the web to find out if there is some kind of information about the news that you are writing, about the article that you are writing. If it is an opinion or a fiction, a story, those ones are okay. But when it comes to breaking news, politics, like celebrity personalities and those kind of things, they try to scan around to authenticate the article you are writing before they publish it, and then do the promotion for you. Another thing that can also get your article rejected is grammatical errors. Grammatical errors. When a lot of grammatical errors are detected on your article, it could also lead to further rejection. Sometimes you put a title which is not very clear, it is like not understandable, it's not concise. That can also get your article rejected. And another thing that can also get your article rejected is plagiarism. Yeah, plagiarism. They take matters of plagiarism very seriously. If they find out a certain percentage of the content you have written is on another platform, then it will definitely be rejected, because it is believed you just copied it from somewhere and then pasted it on your profile. What happens is they try to reward originality. If it is about a particular topic someone has written, you can also write about that same topic but from a different angle, from a different point of view. And that is what they are looking for. So just copying content and then pasting it, making it yours. No, once it is determined, you are going to, the article is going to get banned. And there are some people who have actually been banned. If you get on the platform, you log on the platform on a computer, and then you go to the announcement sections, you see the list of media houses and individuals who have been banned from creating content on the platform because of some of these issues. They kept repeating it over and over again. They didn't adhere to the practical rules and regulations on the platform, so they got banned from the platform. Another one that can also get your articles rejected is using sexually suggestive content. Sexually suggestive content. That one, Open News Hub Ghana does not approve it. When you have revealing images, you write about celebrities, the kind of images that you use in your articles, they are highly against sexually suggestive content. So you should know when you are writing. Placing advertisements in your article. Placing advertisements in your article. I remember I wrote on setting up a business in Ghana, and then I made reference to a particular website where you can go and then get a very affordable website if you are a startup business, and that article got rejected. What I did was I went back, took that same article, and then removed that particular link I placed in the article and resubmitted, and it was further published. But once you get an article rejected and it gets published, you suffer very low clicks. you have very low clicks on that particular article that you resubmitted. So guys, this is what you can do when you get an article rejected. Usually they give reasons why the article was rejected. So you look at the reasons, take back that same article and then rewrite it, or just make the corrections, make the necessary corrections. If it is grammatical errors, you try to identify them and then correct them. If it is on sexually suggestive or racism or that kind of thing, you try and then correct those kind of things before you put it back on the platform and it is going to be published. Please try as much as possible not to get your articles rejected, because it's going to affect your earnings. Those of you who were doubting whether this is true or this is a scam or some kind of thing, there you have it. That is the reality. This is how much people are making on the platform, making like $20 for an article of the week. I mean, it's good. It's good. So if every week you are able to make $20, by the end of the month you could get like $80, and it's good. You could use some for your internet connection, and some could take care of your credit needs and those kind of things. I made this amount 80 something Ghana cedis, and that could be enough to get me a mobile credit for the month, yeah. Or if I just add a little, I could just pay for my monthly internet subscription, which is good, yeah. But I think maybe going forward I may start to put in enough effort and then also get some increased earnings. Okay, so once you get on the platform, look at these people who are at the top, these people who have made it, these people who have got these earnings. If you want to make as much as they are making, emulate them. Look at, like, search for them on the platform, follow them, read their articles, know what they are doing right and what they are doing wrong. Emulate same, and it's very likely you'd also be successful and then make a lot of earnings like they are doing. Please subscribe to this channel, make a recommendation to a friend, and I would be bringing you more of such platforms that you could legitimately make some money on.